Multiplying 3-digit numbers with zeros in between, applying quick and easy steps. First step, multiply natin ang last digits. 6 times 4, we have 24. Second step, cross multiply tayo. 2 times 4, we have 8. Cross natin. 6 times 5, we have 30. Add natin, we have 38. Sulat natin ang 38 dito. Multiply tayo. 2 times 5, we have 10. Our answer is 103,824. Applying quick and easy steps. Tingnan natin dito sa ating calculator kung tama ba ang ating shortcuts. We have 206 times 504. So our answer is 103,824, exactly the same with our shortcuts. Another example, multiply natin ang 2 times 8, we have 16. Cross multiply tayo. 3 times 8, we have 24. 2 times 7, we have 14. Add natin, we have 8 and 38. Write 38 dito. Then multiply natin 3 times 7, we have 21. Our answer is 213,816. Applying quick and easy steps. Tingnan natin sa ating calculator. We have 302 multiplied to 708. Our answer is 213,816, exactly the same with our shortcuts. Another example, multiply natin 7 times 6, we have 42. Cross multiply tayo. 1 times 6, we have 6. 1 times 7, you have 7. 7 plus 6, you have 13. Sulat natin ang 13 dito. So 1 times 1 equals 1. So our answer is 11,342. Applying quick and easy steps. Try natin dito sa ating calculator. We have 107 multiplied to 106. Our answer is 11,342. Eksaktong-eksakto doon sa ating shortcut.